good one.
Are you eating a goldfish in bed?
Hmm?
I know you just fell, huh?
I don't think so.
I know you.
Come here, do again.
You're not a nice boy right now, huh?
Gonna take my horse to Old Town Road.
Hey, look, there's a cattle guard. A cattle guard up here in nowhere, man. No man's land. They're probably gonna dig a hole and put it up here.
Hey, come here, Dodo Head.
You can hear yourself.
We're not gonna have to worry about getting attacked by a bear. Not with that kid. Not with that kid right there in front of us. You know how they say don't sneak up on the bear?
I don't know what he's doing.
Hand down.
Come here. I did it again.
I did hear it that time.
Are you Captain Sea Salt?
He is.
Sea Salt?
How are the bugs over in that part of town?
I wiped him down.
What are you doing, Captain Sea Salt? Well, what's your name? That's your name, bad guy? Your name Robert? You're Captain. I'm Captain America.
Hey, Lano.
It's a tip you.
This the cops. Yeah, the bad guys come out of the jail.
Now we should get a fresh air. You ain't getting up here.
I know. I have a red. Hey, come in, Spider. Come in, Spider-Man. 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 That's
He's not gonna let go of the button.
that way?
What?
The dog
You
that
have to
way?
let go of the button or you can't hear your dada.
I do. Somewhere.
That's my boy. He's working on firewood. Look what he did. Look, man, he got him a killer fire going. That's CJ's fire, man. Got a nice pile of wood right there. He's working on his wood. And look, there's Bad Dog. Bad Dog made it to the woods too. Look at Bad Dog. Look. There's CJ Jr. Everybody's just grubbing. Grandma cooking. Oh, look at that, man. That's my new 25 year grill that I got from Ball for my 25 years. Yeah, I think it's gonna come in pretty handy. Looks like it is. Pretty nice little grill. I'm liking it so far. The cool thing is it's electric ignition. And I got the boys out here working on the fire. We just had a little rainstorm. Well, looks like he's getting some pointers from the young man. Got a nice fire going right here.
Are you done with yours?
Alicia Rose.
Are you done with yours? Yeah. Okay. Alana's plate has all the balls on it. Okay.
Yeah, I'm done with mine too. I'll eat one.
You're not going to eat more?
I'll eat one.
Okay. With the sugar content and stuff.
Are you gonna do a slow-mo on it? They're practicing their marksmanship.
The gun's not
Hi.
Please be careful.
I went in for the dramatic shot and everything.
Yeah.
Oh, he's packed up. He's ready to go, I guess.
Mom, my toys.
Did you bring Groot?
Oh, soy Groot.
I am Groot.
Did you guys see any UFOs last night? Yep, we seen one.
Do what?
UFO.
No, I've seen lots of stars though. After we guys came out, went to the truck, I turned the lights out, looked up. Oh my goodness, man, there's so many stars.
It was cloudy when we were
Shooting bears.
out here for a little bit. It took most of the